Hello friends, welcome to my channel Uniform Forces. Today's video is about the important topics for essay. This is going to be the fourth such video where I am telling you the important essay topics. If you haven't watched the previous videos, you can check out through the I link. There the playlist is given. Okay, and these topics are according to me important for the examination. They may not be asked in the examination, but what is more important is your practice. So first topic is online education. Well, everyone knows that in today's pandemic time, it is the online education only which is giving us the alternative to education. So therefore, it's the first topic. After that, Ayushman Bharat. You might be knowing that this is the healthcare scheme. So you have to write about it, and you can write like what are its significance, challenges, and way ahead, yeah, way forward. Okay, the third one is security, challenges in Indian Ocean region. You all know that Indian Ocean region is very important geostrategically for India, but there are several challenges like China. So this is the topic. After that, fourth topic is issue of manual scavenging. In India. So it's a long time issue. So that's why this is very important. Then there is a new concept, one world, one solar, one grid. So if you are not aware of this topic, you can search it. It is also important because it is providing a renewable energy alternative. Then sixth topic is role of technology in border security, or you may say border management, and of course it is with respect to India. Then next topic is development versus environment. Now from environment perspective, this is a long debatable topic, like long drawn topic. Every time it comes on the table of discussion, so that's why it's become important. Next is another very important topic, lessons India needs to learn from the pandemic, or you say from COVID. Again, this is very important because at many stages or in many sectors we are lacking behind, especially the health sector. So we need to have learned some lessons from this pandemic. After that, the agricultural reforms in India. Now farmers ensure the food security, the energy, food need of our country, but the agriculture sector, it is very way behind its potential. So what reforms India require or India needs to bring in for the agriculture sector for the development of our farmers? From that perspective, you need to attend this essay. The last is India and Quad. You all know that Quad is the recent strategic formation of four countries, namely India, Japan, Australia, and America. So this is about that, like India, its role in Quad, what is the importance of Quad, and what are the future aspects of this grouping, So all those aspects you need to put down in this topic, under this topic. So these are some of the important topics which I consider are in the news or have been in the news for a long period of time, and they become very important not just from your written part but the interview as well. So what I think is that from the beginning itself you need to have a perspective about different topics, and it is really going to help you in the interview as well. So that's it from my side, and if you're finding the video content helpful and useful, then you can subscribe the channel, you can like the video, and you can ask me your queries in the comments section. Okay, again I am reminding that if you haven't watched the previous videos on the essay topics, on the reports topic as well, you can watch from the playlist of my YouTube channel Uniform Forces. Thank you, see you in the next video.